Welcome back to another episode of Kemal Food Channel, and now we're back in Bali again. Before I go to my hotel, gue makan malam dulu. Nah, ada satu tempat makan namanya Tempong. I don't know why it's so famous, padahal bukan makanan khas Bali, but it's so famous and everybody's talking about it. So let's check it out. Let's go there. The name is Tempong. Let's check it out. Alright, sekarang kita udah nyampe di warung Tempong, ya. Ini posisinya ada di Jalan Raya Kuta. Kalau misalnya tahu sama apa ya, Krishna. Nah, Krishna udah gitu warung Butino. Nah, itu sejajaran di situ. Oke. Tempong. Is it Tempong or Tempong? I don't know, but for sure why is it called pink? Because the whole restaurant, the color is pink. So what's so special about this restaurant? Let's find out. Jadi ini restoran itu bukan khas Bali. Khas mana tadi mas? Banyuwangi. Nah, Banyuwangi itu Jawa Timur ya. So this is not a special dish from Bali. It's from East Java. Kenapa namanya Tempong? Monyor-monyor, because it's so spicy. Jadi kayaknya andalannya itu bukan lauknya, tapi andalannya itu sambelnya. Let's give it a try ya. So if you're a big fan of chili and sambal, I guess it's a must visit place. Alright. Oh yeah.
Lele.
Lele.
Ini nama lele.
Ya.
Catfish.
Tambah lele. Ini nasi Tempong cumi.
Oh.
Tempong ayam bakar. Lele.
Oh.
Tambahan tahu ya.
So the meal is here. You can order a package or you can order like a la carte. But this is like the package, the menu package. What you get is chicken. You get deep fried tofu, okay, and also tempeh and bunch of veggies, and also a salted fish here. Here's what you get. And plain rice. I don't know what's so special here, but the place is already packed. During lunchtime and dinner is always packed. But if you look at the slogan or the tagline, what they have on their front signage is the sambal or the chili, which is this one. And you can add more and more and more for free. So if you're a big fan of sambal, I guess this is the highlight of this restaurant. So now let's dig in. Let's see what's so special about this restaurant in Bali, which does not serve Balinese food, but it's so packed with lots of tourists from all over Indonesia. Let's try the chicken first. Oh, it's so crispy. Ooh. Oh, they really know how to fry this. It's crispy. Okay, my friend told me here not to eat a lot of sambal because it's so damn spicy. So I'm not gonna dip it all. I'm just gonna put a touch on it. Ooh, just like that. Kita lihat nih sepedas apa. Wow. This is spicy. Yo, Mark Queens, if you're watching my channel and I know you like chili so much, you better come back here to Bali and search for this restaurant, Tempong. It's a message for you, Mark. Wow, the sambal is good. Let's try everything with the sambal. We try the chicken, good. Let's try the veggies with the sambal. Wow, it is spicy. Let's try this small fish. Salted fish. Yeah, it's deep fried so you can, and it's crispy, you can eat everything. Semuanya dimakan. Gak usah takut sama tulang-tulangnya. Wow. Wow, it's good. Wow. It is good. Wow. True. The highlight of this restaurant is the sambal. The sambal is so good. The sambal is so spicy. Gila. Bro, pedes banget asli. Pedesnya tuh tahan lama ya. Nggak hilang-hilang pedesnya. Definitely you'll be sweating if you eat here, especially during the day. Luckily here, I'm eating for dinner. During the day it's gonna be so hot, especially with this chili. Feels good. It's good. Let's try the catfish or the lele. This type of dish, you can find it all over Indonesia, like especially in Jakarta. Di Jakarta kan banyak ya. You can find it like on a street stall, food stall. It's all over there. It's all over Jakarta. You can find it. But the sambal is just different. Wow. It is the highlight. Here's a tip for you. If you want to eat this and you don't want it to be that spicy, you can add up soy sauce, sweet soy sauce. Just add it up and it will loosen up a bit the level of spiciness. All right. Dip it here. Let's mix it. Your tofu is crispy. Wow. I like it. Crispy on the outside, but still spongy on the inside. It's good. Really good. So this is spinach leaf. I just asked. Ini daun bayam, guys. And I told you before, all the fried stuff really matches with the sambal. And guess what? Also this, the boiled and the cooked leaves or lalap, it also matches with the sambal and soy. Wow. It was good. It is good. The level of crispiness of their fried food, such as the chicken, the tempeh, the tofu, and then the fish, right? And then combined with the sambal, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. Yeah. Even this, it's tempeh. What's tempeh in English? I don't know what tempeh is in English, but it's made of soy. I'm deep fried. I got a part of the chicken skin. You see this? This is the chicken skin. Here. The chicken skin is so crispy. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'll eat it as closer as I can to the camera so you can feel and you can hear the crispiness of the chicken. You hear that? Wow. Untuk 30.000 kalau nggak salah 30.000 ya harganya. Around 30,000 rupiah. That's already like around what, $2? And you get all this. It's just insane. This restaurant is definitely one of my favorite restaurant here in Bali. Jadi gua makan 3 meal atau 3 paket ya guys. Udah gitu sama minum. Totalnya 118 without tax. Dengan tax it's like 129,000 rupiah. So and I just talked with the owner and he gave me a good information. Pink because the color of the restaurant is pink. And tempong means slap atau tampar. Jadi because it's so spicy and it's so hot and everything, it feels like you've been slapped. That's why it's called tempong, all right? So that's a good fact. That's it for this episode, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell. And I'll see you in the next episode here, still in Bali. Thank you for watching.